Welcome to the IDE Series 2022. This is a video guide for IDE Code Hacker. During competition day, you'll be given a URL very similar to this one. On the competition day itself, the URL will be different. However, this URL is provided for students to familiarize themselves with the process. Copy the URL into your URL address bar, and this will bring you to a Replit page. On the Replit page, you will see the first entry will be a summary of questions. This shows all of the questions that you can attempt. Open up this page. On the sidebar on the left, if you click IDE Code Hacker Sample, you will be able to see all of the questions in a PDF page. Zoom in as needed. From here, you can choose the questions that you wish to do. Now, I would recommend right-clicking this and opening into a new tab. This is so that you can go back to the main page and you can still see all of the questions here, while keeping this tab open to see all of the questions as well. Choose the questions you wish to attempt. So for instance, if I want to attempt question 1, I'll come back to the main page here and I'll go into sample question 1. In sample question 1, under the instructions tab, you will also see the question in full detail in case you need to refer. You can type your code in this interface here and test it out as many times as you want. When you click run, the code will execute here on the console, and you can test your code as many times as you want to make sure that it is correct. Each question will usually come with a bunch of sample output questions. What this means is that if you put in the correct inputs, you should receive the correct outputs, and this will signal that your code is most likely correct. Once you are certain that your code is correct, click submit. This will submit your code for this one question. You may click resubmit to submit your code again as many times as you wish. Participants may attempt as many questions as possible. There will be a 90-minute time limit. Each question is given a different number of points, and the participant is not expected to complete all questions, so participants are advised to be strategic about the questions they choose. Participant is expected to stay online through Zoom during the 90-minute duration. No additional submissions will be entertained after the 90-minute time limit, so all questions must be submitted before the time limit is up. Thank you for watching. See you there!